Hello parents. Eye redness season is here. This is the season for all kinds of viral illnesses and therefore a lot of children have eye redness. So let me share few tips with you regarding how to take care of red eye in your children. First, wash your eyes, wash the baby's eyes with drinking water. Cool drinking water should do to clean the eyes or wipe the eyes. Second important thing is do not rub the eyes. So make the child understand that eye rubbing will cause more injury and more redness. If the child is having a lot of swelling and itchy sensation, then warm towels kept over the eyes help. If there is a lot of watering and lot of redness along with cold cough, then most likely it is allergic or a viral infection which will require cold compresses. So your wet towels will do when kept over the eyes to help reduce the itching. Third point, do not remove any foreign material if you see which has fallen into the eye. Now foreign material in the eye of the child can be very dangerous, and if you try to remove or if you rub it, that material can cause more infection and it can also cause eye injuries. Fourth tip for all our parents. See, all of us have the phone in our hand and we have access to all the pharmacy apps, and also we have pharmacies all around the place. Please do not put over the counter non-prescription medicine for your children. These medicines again are very dangerous. Most of the pharmacists give antibiotic or antibiotic with steroid eye drops, which can cause more problems to the child's eye. Fifth point is what to do when you can't access a doctor. If you are in a remote place or if you are at night, there is a lot of redness, what you can do is you can buy lubricating eye drop. Now, how will you identify lubricating eye drop? It is by reading the label. On the label, you will have drop like this, where polyethylene glycol or propylene glycol, or you will have drops where it is carboxymethyl cellulose. These are lubricants. These are not antibiotics. And these kind of eye drops, which are cooling, soothing eye drops, are enough for the child till the child sees an eye doctor. Always use prescription drugs in the same format or in the same dosage as your doctor has prescribed. Don't try to use an old eye drop which is lying at home. Old eye drops, that is those who have been opened before a month, expire within the month. So be aware, even if your eye drops show a longer expiry date, but once you open it, it should be used in that 1 month and discarded. Using expired eye drops can cause severe ocular toxicity in your child's eye. Always see a pediatric ophthalmologist before experimenting with a child's eye regarding their redness. Thank you.